iga musocha tware ngo mukutano orenge oyo tuta bono nigo twaika ase twakoro mukutano twasoka asinge njira ntwire yake yaito yabandega twateba ngano aiga into wantam abandi bateba dibanya goteba banya gosoka kurta chinkumi banya gosoka kurta chinkumi abaribare ngoro abajafe na bandi bono twarwororo bamanye kurwo twamenye konyore gari yamenye kukurime n'abantu bavugate chinsara na chechi wonta n'abagirango ozora barzaka barange tunta n'abagirango abantu babore chinsara bare bajya gotorta chinsara
Solo con Francis, Sani, moyo tutu, nare ngomo kutano, nare go etai ganga utia na koro mo kutano, abantu bacha baika buruga minutes sana. Banga konsa murre go ko igamo chuna bang kete ko ko mbune kete kabisa. Na borre na kinajana koro na inde para gango etai ga kanche kina koro ba kombori. Go intabo rikura na inche, intapinga murayo ndo bas na inche ngiremento ko. Campaign ekal pe tense inki toko na no murayo so. Akio so na inche kina koro ndo mera bantu.
Na korete video yamo. Ngoboni ngachi elder church control our leaders ba Gusii. Ngakora nende ngatebe yendenga a problem ya Gusii mejaline eviongozi tobwate. Ladies and gentlemen, avune vijana mwara babwate chinsara. Chinsara echo chale kurutuko cha sibale. It's alleged chinkoru cha bwate chinsara ocha kubaita. Ono mukutano orangeiri n'eviongozi. Abantu ba attended. Mwawere 200 chabo. Chinsara ni chaki mukubaruta. Ngamba kwa na wantam. Ladies and gentlemen, kale, I remember when we were kids. Ntwanyo lete chinkoro chikwera ni chombe. Chomo nkwana getalika okuruku wiper. Oibere tu chombe chaye botuko. Chinkoro ko senga icha chitangire te chombe echo. Pakachira ni mpaka siarusetiwo. Ke chinkoro icha chitabandu bakagoka sana. Ende baba sikitinga chinkoro cha lete chombe. Chibe tu batakaniri they act as soldiers baba Gusii. Bono chinkoro ichi chitu cha kalindira baba Gusii cha tanga aba hivi kuiba chombe. They are being used against the common man in Gusii. Unorocha. Evijana bire Gusii biko ligeli biko tu chinsara. From abantu babangirine viongozi ngamba uli chinsara beta abantu. Nima etenga abantu mbara abana batanya kwa lensara. No hinja boni gensara le seita ya moyoka. Itoko gando kane museum to chikonyara. Because those are weapons they could work at any time because they are usually being used in serious occasions. Ensale kereru tire, how sure you te waka mwana? How sure you te waka mungina mogotu? How sure you te kopeta mugaka? How sure you mun te waka no muntole a criminal? Na kioli sure ensale giaro tiru te waka mondo legal family. It's so much traumatizing. Kera toko no tinge bintu nkorubire njere ngabnejo. Televia. Gusii yeto aviongozi tigana mangane chisegi. Kera mati yangi juzi agenda abwenta kugenda Meru na realize tinga ya kubiguns babeta arranged kuja attack his convoy. Aga feeling no. Why is kuja attack even if you don't retaliate abantu paka baumie because kibaru tamagena mbamanya ngali anyora. Dr. King of Freddy Matiangi postponed that journey. Akaramugweta gwetanga no moba tawo kara journey go Chimeru mashagwa tayo ngakashagwa tayo journey tekoba binte binge bikakwana. Bono Dr. King of Freddy Matiangi aka postponed akalemerelia finally achakole journey yae at the right time. The right time igaika kagenda Meru akole journey yae buna takitaka kora. Buna rute US almost immediately. Onye kwa realize vune kiongozi kia Gusii koko genda asebuna nyali bali chache oziki tutu south chache south abantu muchukurwana bali abangi mwini umulese serikali na muko nyora ground intelligence mutabunga aga moja to keep the safe people safe na bambali bago gosa batali bago ne kiongozi wikoli nikiromo you avoid the journey so that at least abantu babe safe. When it is okay, you go there and hold your own journey, your own rally, and ensure that it is very successful without any injuries. But now, why is it that abantu paka barua ni kubaitu mama yako yubia viongozi wetu? Moro Gusii stadium. Ebrogo bikutukira asa abantu bagwitu mugaka kabisa gwitu kabisa ni chiguni. A clear indication inga abantu babekira specifically with discipline abantu. Siasa yendali njalinge kusigaki. To be very honest. Ongeli agachiri tokero Central Church. Uchali bya no PA yae go sinu mungwa no musaniga endoge ndigali yawo soka. Undata muiteti. Nende tuwa musika tuwa mampa kama skani yayo ngendo ko enda guka sale guchi. Simple politics. Shadrack Masoyo gae Solicitor General. Kera agachiri siasa entu agaruanire bantu mbagaruanire. Diro boyo kera agachiri siasa bantu mbali kuruana even if they are against Matiang'i. Nyambati mbali kuruana siki. Why is it these young leaders mock over this type of character within the society ya Gusii? Why are you being these characters? In the society, they are very beautiful. It is a letdown to the youth and a disappointment to the older generations. There's no way a governor, a kijana, a choro. Chimpi vijana, vichoro. The best thing they can bring is forceful politics. Yet you say, why do you have to make people fight? I did a video before I told you, omo ndana usetwe piki kore ngakigete. Nga abigete t-shirt ya Simbarati. Akakumo tu akakwa. Chigunji libako atabosongo, ndi chigoncho ga cheitana choka. Oyu akitu akakwa atike familia nke, boni ngamba metena kyake 100. Nobody cares. Eke kubeka abantu bagutumia ngo ligeri Ruto chikura Gusii ne jaki ne gyaki. In 2007 ahiyanga abantu bagachiri Gusii babero dia abantu bakurwani baba bagere baba bikoyo babikyango nkeroka Gusii bagachire kisi na keroka chitown cha Gusii babero abande barugiro abande baba adopted kuchime. In fact here in my home they had brought certain people who came to our home wakavero for quite some time mpake kero enze ya tuliete bakana chinso kerivi ndune byo koleka na Gusii bono ngaitwa ruera kusini ndo tubwate chisegi chikurwana ne vyongozi betu etako banga muntu ndo twakurwana omugusii gwitu no mugusii omwabo kabisa. Tali ekiyoga yapene dijuze moisondi iga nara mumura kabutuira amaguru nokoboko and the same thing happened a group ya tutam nene no yalinga abantu bakabutura omuntu namaguru actually mumura akiro amaguru nokoboko nokogoro mumuro ikara step piki goro naroja neba mutakite rutaite chukura Gusii kakiwi katavento ko this type of don't care people. Why are you finishing our people? Why are you destroying the community? Gusii young leaders, what is happening to you people? Osoro, you tend to be the leader of that team. Kindly take control and let people do things in the right manner. There's no way Gusii itewe kirampaka sandu bakurutu chinsara. Chinsara chinende the last time na roche ndiri tobata mandamano aliagara ntiru na Raila. Toate anga economy ya chirigoro no taxation. Chinsara chikarutu daraja mbili ngando bakurutu mbaba zote ba Ruto mastiko. Chinkuru chiko protect yomu Gusii poncho komitetia ko express your voice. Nchera kiji toka libindu nebi Gusii yetu. It is not fair. Ensale yako bedomo mura. In fact naro radio ringine gitari yako muita kuleni. Cause that to be a rejoicing point. Okunoka leto bwaba Gusii. Kusiki. That is very bad. Mbona bangina bali mutete mo seres ase bitkundi beno nakiba gocho mukuta chinsara. My message is to our women, children, and even our young men. Avoid these rallies. Onye chireiga to kumanyanga yo monta kuruera. Avoid them. Muga nyamunta akwe mama guchaka gutika ko gendo. muganya bantu bakwe omochaka gotiga kogenda bintu binebi bera chinse ino rosia misini yao simeka chinye nioni nyole besa yago genda kugura endagira unoragani kubwa guchera 250 egero osiri obugima bwago nabo gwe 200 utaikurwana oituko tiga tu protect Gusii yetu na madili ya maya lakini vijana vili vya South kichuchu chate vya kitutu mwaka tega sengia muche tikoritariate it is okay but it is not fair ntu aroche neke tu ata maandamano kisito na jenzi e group kete gatume wate ibako gucha gotoita egabidi tuba minyoki. That's how we survived. Abantu batumire kabisa kisi town wati chirungu nga bacho wete vijana abantu bawo expressing aruto mastiko barabu bastiko. It is very sad. Gusii, let us not go to that trajectory.